Gusto ko i-try kung paano gumawa ng yung egg na hindi mababasag yung egg yolk. Nag-boil ako ng water, tapos linagyan ko ng vinegar. Tapos, try ko lang kung kaya kong gawin. Yan, nagbo-boil. Tapos, alam mo, boiling. Tapos, ilalagay ko tong egg. Titignan ko kung hindi mababasag yung egg yolk. Tapos, yung egg yolk matakpan ng yung puting sa egg. Okay, wait a minute. Now it's boiling. I need to try it. To do this one, please. Oh my god, it's not the perfect.